Hello and aloha from the Hawaiian island of Maui. Right now, we are at Kahului Airport where we are going to catch Hawaiian Airlines Flight 195. From Kahului, we will be taking a quick flight over to Honolulu. Overall, this flight is expected to take 41 minutes and will cover a distance of approximately 120 miles. Due to the fact that our final destination was outside the United States, we were asked to check in at the guest services desk. Also, the line at the security checkpoint was quite long, though still manageable. As for the layout, the airport mainly consists of a main terminal which is divided in two sections by a central building. Interestingly enough, both the arrivals and departures section of the airport are at the same level. Also at the airport, you'll find a dining area that contains a Burger King and a California Pizza kitchen. There, you can get some really good views of departing and arriving planes. While Kahului Airport is Maui's main airport, there are no international destinations from the airport, though it is not too uncommon to find wide-body aircraft at this airport. Our flight for today is on time, at least for now. With a share of passengers around 45%, Hawaiian Airlines is the largest airline at Kahului Airport by a significant margin. The airport has a pretty easy to navigate layout, though it looks quite dated. The aircraft for today's flight is a Boeing 717. With only around 100 aircraft in service with 3 airlines, the Boeing 717 is a rare airliner. Hawaiian Airlines has around 19 Boeing 717s, which they use for flights within the Hawaiian Islands. The boarding process commenced on time. As usual, passengers were called up by group, and each group took turns to board. I do like that Hawaiian Airlines would play Hawaiian music whenever the plane boards. It sets the mood for the flight. Although it was really close to the front, my seat for the flight was an economy seat. The seat had really good legroom, and I found it comfortable enough for a 40-minute flight.
Lift the top portion of the buckle and pull away. Seatbelts should be worn low and tight. It is Hawaiian Airlines policy that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times when seated. When the seatbelt sign is not illuminated, you can leave your seat if necessary. Despite
the fact that boarding was done on time, the flight unfortunately faced a tarmac delay of around 30 minutes. From this point onwards, I'll stop all commentary for a while and just let you enjoy the view instead. Due to the short length of the flight, not much service was offered. And there wasn't that much time when the seatbelt signs were turned off either. The island of Oahu has come into view, which means we are about to land in Honolulu. As we approach Honolulu, I'd like to share some final thoughts. Overall, it was an interesting experience to fly a Boeing 717 given how rare the aircraft is. As for what I thought about the airliner itself, I didn't think it was anything too special compared to other aircraft of similar size. Service on board wasn't much to write home about, though that is justifiable given the short length of the flight. However, I did find the crew to be friendly. One thing I did not like about the flight was the delay, especially for reasons that I'll go over later on.
We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas.
Welcome to Honolulu International Airport. With over 1 million passengers over the last year, Honolulu is the most common destinations for passengers flying out of Kahului. Officially known as the Daniel K. Inouye International Airport, the airport is the main and largest airport in Hawaii. Additionally, Honolulu serves the vast majority of Hawaii's international flights. Unfortunately, we arrived at the airport late, which turned a reasonably long layover into a pretty tight one. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, don't hesitate to hit the like button. And if you want to see more content like this, you can hit the subscribe button. Once again, I'm LeConte, signing out.